Oh, Anthony, okay, another note to self. Mayor stays. Mayor stays.
Oh, yeah? Yeah. I know it. So that's awesome. I'm so proud of you today. Cool. Our new sprinter.
Yeah.
I know, that's awesome. No, it's because you've been practicing. Yeah. No, it's really great. Yay!
So we know our podium.
And so I just told Jeremy to bring up a towel. Okay. And,
All right.
I'm
going to go in.
And yeah, we move into you're going to move up. You've got about 27 seconds by the end. On the field? Yeah. Oh, we still have that much? Yep. Yep. 25, 27 plus your 15.
Yeah.
So you moved up to we're guessing third-ish or you moved. Yeah. I mean, yeah, exactly. Okay. So that's a great move up plus the stage and. Good. Leading into the national your championships next week, right? It was good. Yeah. That's okay. Great job. Here, get this one out.
So Jeff, we're going to invite the public into the street, but not now. We're going to wait for our one final racer.
You or Catherine or Amber, how did it wind up being you? Chance, or how did that break form?
Oh, it was just chance. We crested that third KOM right, and there was crosswind up at the top and attacks going, and then I just countered one move, and then Linda bridged up to me, and so it was the two of us. It was, yeah.
And you guys working well together from the start?
Yeah, from the start we just rolled it really well together, both of us working perfect, yeah.
So you knew you would stay away with, obviously she had huge incentive.
Well, no, we didn't know if we'd stay away, but we were trying. Yeah, no, we were giving it our best. Like, neither one of us had anything to lose. She was moving into yellow, I was moving up, turning for a stage win. So, yeah, it was a good move for both of us.
Was there a deal at the end, or did you sprint for it?
I sprinted, but no, Linda pretty much gave me the stage. She was moving into yellow, and yeah, it was a good stage win for us, so that was nice.
And you move into, I guess, in like top 3 on...
I'm not sure. You might know better than me. Probably top 3. Yeah.
Fantastic. Where does this rank in the accomplishments that of your career?
Yeah, I mean, it's huge to win a stage at, a big race like this. So, yeah, this is great. And also leading into nationals next week gives a lot of confidence. So, yeah, super happy with it.
So what did you think of the course today, since it's a new course at Nature Valley?
Yeah, it's a good course, really good course. It's, I mean, with the rolling, and it's really windy with the trees and that, so you get out of sight, out of mind really easy, and it's good for a breakaway.
So when did you know that you guys would make it to the line?
When did we know what?
That you guys would make it to the line and not be caught and start
pretty
thinking
much
of the
not
finish?
until about 1 lap to go. Yeah, we were driving it pretty hard the whole way.
Wow.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
And also we wanted to gain as much time as possible before tomorrow, so we kept on moving on.
Was there discussion out there like, oh my gosh, we're away?
No, I mean we both knew, we've both been racing a long time, so we knew we had to work it hard and work together, and we did that, so it's good.
And now you're a sprinter.
Working on it.
Congratulations, Erin.
Thanks.